Nini wa?
Na unanishautia aje?
Sorry.
Unashautia
Sorry,
nani?
I'm sorry.
Babe. Yaani mimi nakutafuta na aslewa uonekani. Babe.
Someone chapa ko.
Babe.
Nini mbaya?
Babe.
What's wrong? Leave me bana.
Babe. Babe, kwani una hizi uchungu? Babe.
Ona check. You're serious.
Wait.
Wait.
Babe,
Why are you beating me?
Babe,
why are you beating me?
Babe, come back here. Sweetheart, please. Little. I just feel like
No,
last
my head is aching.
Babe. 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 Babe.
Nimekuja.
Babe. Sikuja hapa karibu.
Nimekuja nini tena?
Unapenda kujisikianga nini? Babe.
Nini?
Sasa nimesauti nilikuwa nakuitia, sijui unakuanga aje. Mtu akikuita sijui si unafaa ukuje. Nimekuita mara ngapi?
Speak up, what's wrong with you?
Ni mjinga hata toka hapa.
Kwani unaniita unini?
Okay.
Nini wa? Enough. Why? Nifanye, what have I done?
I just love you. Babe, why are you preventing?
Wait. What does my ear has to do with the mood? Wait,
Wewe basi unafinya uchungu.
Why do you always complain? You say that you're not feeling well. You want massage. Then why?
So ukifinya uchungu ni kunikomoa nini?
What's wrong with you?
Na unanishautia aje? Unashautia
sorry,
nani?
I'm sorry. I think it's enough.
No.
The legs is the mood swing. How does it connect? Huh?
That's none of your business.
How are the legs related to ovulation? Ladies,
it's none of your business. You just do your work.
I'm tired. If marriage is like this, I don't think I'm ready. Hey, how do you feel now?
I feel good. Do it. I'll help you.
You know I'll stop doing this.
Oh,
and you will cry.
So? Who said so? Where will you stop?
You will cry.
Where on earth will you stop? Where on earth?
Hey. Don't dare. Not that I pay, because I bride price. That's why you are.
Yes, because you have not paid the bride price. You have to pay each year.
So because I've not paid, that's why you want to misuse me.
I will misuse you.
This is the BV.
Hey, go and report me anywhere. Yes.
You know I can refuse.
Where?
I can refuse massage.
Where on earth?
I'm just being king of hearts.
Where on earth will you refuse?
I'm just being a very caring person. But you're taking advantage of this. Don't dare me.
Wait, you just
it's enough.
You want to break my leg? No.
You're not enjoying. Enough.
You have not even applied lotion in this leg.
Your name is loaded.
Very rude.
I'm not rude. Why is it that in every week of the month that you always trouble me? Why? This specific week, every month, this specific week. Hey. That's why ladies need to get pregnant. At least you can have a break for 9 months. Hey. God, why? Hey. I'm tired, though. Hey. I'm not doing it, though. Hey. I'm not doing it, though. Let me just do my own things here. Hey. I'm not doing it.
And you are holding my leg and you are saying you are not doing it.
I'm not doing it, though.
Just because you have refused massaging me,
I'm tired.
I want you to kiss my legs. And not once, and not
Am I
twice.
Jesus?
I've just said
Kiss
it.
your...
Yes. Not once, not twice.
How will it...
Yes.
How will it... how is it related to the mood swings and ovulation?
They are here.
No. Is
System.
this love or slavery?
They are here. I command you.
I know that I want a house in Kiswahili called house.
Not once, not twice.
Hey. Just once.
Not once,
Because
not
I want
twice. Thrice and above.
Hey.
Rather,
Hey. Seriously, but I've tried, though.
kiss again and kiss again. Kiss again.
I've done it,
This
though.
one. You have not kissed this one. No.
But ovulation. Where? Why? Why ovulation? Why?
Again. The last one.
Why? I
The
can't do
last
this.
one.
I can't do this.
The last
Leave
one.
me alone.
The
Just
last one.
get the hell out of me.
The last one. Just do it for the last
Why?
time. Babe. Babe.
Again. I'm tired. What again?
Babe, can you do me a favor?
Which favor?
Sweetheart. Can you do me a favor? I'm your girl now. Not even your girl. I'm your wife now. Smile for your wife, baby. Smile for your wife. Ooh, baby.
Which favor?
Baby.
Which
I just
favor?
want to add favor from
Which
my
favor?
hubby.
Which favor?
Ooh, I want you to twerk for me. Yes.
What?
Twerk. Please.
Leave me alone.
Please, baby.
Spare my life.
Please,
How will the
please,
society
baby.
see me?
It's not all about the society, but it is
And you are
about
TikToking.
me.
You want to use it against me in the
I
court
will
of
never
law.
use
Maybe
it.
in future.
You are my husband.
How,
Trust me.
how will my father, my father and my mother are church leaders, how will they see it?
But you are doing it for your wife.
So, that's so embarrassing.
I'm your wife. Just work it
But
for
I have
me.
nothing
Babe,
behind.
do it. Are you doing it or not?
Why not tomorrow? Maybe
No, now and now.
I'll just
I say do it.
just try. How is it done?
I don't know. I know you know. Bring it. Let your
What?
your nyash.
Why what?
Your nyash.
Just because.
Yes. No, baby. You are doing it good. In fact, I love it. Just do it again. Wow. Again, wait, baby. Not that way. I know you know. Just talk for me,
How is
please.
it done? How is it done?
Be it serious. Be serious.
Like that?
Yes.
Stop it. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Hey,
yeah, yeah,
baby.
yeah, insane.